Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Pinterest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your Pinterest notification. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Pinterest on your device and tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Here, tap the three dots at the top right. And on the pop-up menu, tap Settings. So, on your settings, tap Notifications under Personal Information. If you want to stop getting emails from Pinterest, tap By Email. And tap Turn Off All. Tap Turn Off All again to confirm. Next, if you want to disable the push notifications that you get on your phone, tap By Push Notification. Similar to the previous one, tap Turn Off All and confirm it. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.